Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we are going to build a cotton ball launcher. So here's the one I made and it's our example for today, and yes, it really works. Okay, so in your kit you will find 2 cardboard tubes, a cotton ball, and 2 cut stretchy cords which we will use. And then at home the tools that you will need to take out are scissors, a hole puncher, duct tape, and a little pencil. It can be a little colored pencil or it can be a little regular pencil like this one. Okay, the first step is to cut your tube in half. So take one of the tubes and you're going to cut it in half using your scissors, and you want to do it lengthwise in half, the long way. Once you've done that, I want you to make the tube as tight as possible. So go ahead and use all your strength and to make it a smaller tube. Once you've done that, go ahead and cut a piece of your duct tape, and you want to close the tube so it stays tight and shut. Just like that. The next step will be to hole punch 2 of these sides at the bottom of your small tube. And you want the hole to be across from each other. Very important. That way your pencil will go right through. And then go ahead and put your pencil through. Just like that. Once you've done that, we are going to tie our cords. So see how I've tied it here? So go ahead and tie these shut. So you're going to tie that one, and you're going to tie your second one. So go ahead. And a tip, if you feel one knot's not enough and it keeps coming out, go ahead and double knot them. So tie them twice. That'll make it a lot stronger and it can hold the tension better. Okay, after you're done with that, what we're going to do is we're going to cut twice at the top on one side and twice on the top on the other side. And we're going to do that to our new tube, the second tube in your kit. So go ahead and do that. 1, 2, and then right across. 1, 2. See if you can see that. Perfect and perfect. Okay, now we're going to attach our stretchy cords. So put them on top of each side. Just like that. And then you're going to cut some duct tape because you're going to close it shut so they don't come out. So cut more duct tape. Trying to reinforce it, make it stronger, and keep it down in there. Perfect. Now we're going to put our smaller, thinner tube inside the bigger one, and we're going to attach our stretchy cords down to our pencil. So now you got a launcher, right? And what goes in our launcher today? The cotton ball. And you are all done. Did you know the cannon was created in the 1300s? In a cannon, exploding gunpowder shot a heavy stone or metal ball out of a tube.